If you're a business owner in Salt Lake City looking to boost your online presence, you're in the right place. I'm going to reveal some top SEO secrets that can really set your business apart. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about local SEO. It's crucial, especially for a vibrant city like Salt Lake City, where local businesses thrive on community engagement. To start, make sure your business is listed in online directories and ensure that your Google My Business profile is up to date. This includes accurate information about your location, hours, and services. Next, reviews. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave positive feedback online. This not only boosts your credibility, but also improves your search engine rankings. Google loves a business that the community actively supports. Now let's get a bit technical. Keywords. But not just any keywords, local keywords. These are phrases that potential customers in Salt Lake City are actually typing into their search engines. Phrases like best coffee in Salt Lake City or Salt Lake City car repair can be game changers. Use these strategically in your website's content, blogs, and even your social media posts. Speaking of content, quality beats quantity every time. Create content that addresses the needs and questions of your local audience. Are they looking for the best winter activities in Salt Lake? Or the top spots for dining out? Provide valuable information that establishes your business as a local authority. Lastly, let's not forget about mobile optimization. More people than ever are searching on their devices. A fast, mobile-friendly website isn't just convenient, it's necessary. Ensure your site looks great and functions smoothly on all devices, especially smartphones. And there you have it, some of the top SEO secrets for making your Salt Lake City business shine online. Implement these strategies and watch your traffic grow. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your success.